Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are catching up in my memory planner. I use a big vertical from the Happy Planner. I have been for the past 5 years now. And so we're catching up because I am 1 week behind. So we'll do March 21st through the 27th, and then the opposite side will be the 28th through April 3rd. When I'm filming it, it is currently Monday the 4th, so I'll do both these weeks and be all caught up. For this layout, I've already kind of done a little pre-planning, so I want to have a little bit of a purple, light purple background. This is from a paper pad from Michaels. And then I had hauled this sticker book a while ago. It was on clearance at Joann's for $12. It's one of the Disney ones. I don't know which one in particular this is, but it's the one that has the florally aspects of it too, with Mickey and Minnie. And it was at Joann's. So like I said, I don't remember what release this is. It was on clearance. I haven't used it yet. And so I was already thumbing through and I was like, you know what? I like a little bit of the light purple repeats a lot with Minnie Mouse. So I was like, let me do, yeah, like this one I really like. So I really wanted to use this. So hence find a purple paper that would complement it. So this one's going to be a little bit of a Mickey Minnie theme, and then we'll see what I do, because I have pulled also, because I bought with this one, this sticker pad, Stronger Together. This one was also on clearance at Joann's recently, and I love the sentiment in this one. So we might do something bright and bold for the other side. I love all the little doodles and illustrations too. So maybe this one we have pulled, but let's get started. I'll put you on fast forward. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of memory keeping in a planner, in a traveler's notebook, 12 by 12, Project Life. I do it all. Come to my channel for inspiration. So please consider subscribing. Hit the little bell notification with it because it'll alert you when I upload. And I do try to stay to Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I've been consistent pretty well. And please give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I love that I found a coordinating paper that will highlight that light purple that I wanted to showcase for this layout. Once again, I always say this too. Hindsight's always 20/20. I always print my pictures in color. And there are some weeks, sometimes like this one as well, where I wish I would have printed them in black and white. That way they wouldn't be so, it would just stay as a soft pastel layout, but it's neither here nor there. I love the way it turned out and my memories are captured. That's always what I love about that, is that you're just kind of keeping track of what did happen. I'm not using my planner to plan out things for the future, but really recording everything that happened in our lives. This is where a lot of my stories go. So for the photos, we have the little sweet moment with Valentina and Daddy. She fell asleep over the weekend on him as a nap, and it was just the most endearing photo that I was able to take of them. Then, of course, there are a few pictures of us plant shopping. It's my new favorite thing, her new recital dress that she definitely handed to me after dance class and was like, Mommy, you can't put my dress in the washing machine and I can't get it dirty. Okay, little one. Then I was buying her a few new puzzles to play, because she definitely plays with everything repetitively, and for me, at least after the 27th time we play, I need a new game. So I also found this game called Noodle Knockout, and it uses her fine motor skills. So I took a picture of us learning how to play a new game, because Candyland is #1 in her life right now. Okay, this will wrap up this one. Love the way it turned out and how I was able to keep with a very purpley theme. Love the cluster, and plenty of room to still journal. Definitely gonna keep this little sweet moment with Daddy to this little kind of spicker area, and then kind of talk about all these photos here, and the same kind of here, compartmentalize them. And usually when I've done that, I white out like just the middle one so that this is like one rectangle for a story, and a story. At least that's my approach. That's how I've been doing it. All right, let's continue on with the back side now. Okay, and for the second layout, I am going to keep with the Disney theme, keep with the purple paper, and I'm going to use the Princess sticker pack, the big guys. And since I'm keeping with the purple, I thought Rapunzel would be rather well for it. That way they'll just be like two purpley Disney themes back to back. I really want to use this big stick and this one as well, but we'll see. And so like the purple goes perfectly that I used on the page before, and then I still have my princess ones, This one is the same kind of illustration type as this one, so I'll probably pull something from here, even though these are really cute, but they get to be a little bit of a different illustration. So I'll put this one to the side. So we'll definitely use the big sticks and this one, and we'll keep with the purpley theme. And the only thing I wish I did before obviously deciding this is maybe I should have printed my photos in black and white, but some of the purple is in the photos too. You can see her dress here and the cupcake here. So it may work, but then these are like really green. You know, you live and you learn. And then these are definitely two blue ones, which is why I had them together. So yeah, hindsight 2020, would have printed them black and white, but we'll make it work as a little Rapunzel theme. All right, let's get started. Okay, so my first thing I did or thought of since I was using these big sticks was not to make such harsh edges for anything so that it all looks like it flows. So I took my corner rounder and corner rounded all of the photos and even the scrap paper that I thought I was going to use to kind of group a few together. When I love doing these too, I always like whiting out some of the excess lines so that they're not competing with the image itself, which is why I always have my whiteout kind of handy in order to blot them out so that, like, again, I said, like, they don't have the harsh lines kind of intersecting on the photos or with the sticker itself. So you can always see me kind of doing that ahead of time. What I liked about this layout and how it came together too, I just made them rather symmetrical, meaning that both the cluster and then the big stick were diagonal, and then I did the same on the other side, and that's what helps make this work. For the photos and the memories I am saving here, we are saving her love for donuts, and literally it's the go-to bribery for the moment, meaning that anytime I need her to do something, she will always take a donut as payment for her good behavior or a task at hand. We did bake some muffins this week too. She got a new book at a book sale. It was spring portrait day too, is one in her purple dress. That was picture day at school. And then, of course, me plant shopping. I had went to a plant swap here in Florida. It was so fun. I was a little out of my league, but met some really cool plant people in the area. And that was a new plant that I bought. It was a monstera, and I can't even say the word. It's like pinata, something like that. It's a nice plant. Okay, so that will be my Rapunzel layout. Super cute. So now when you see the two together, well, not together, but you know, this will be the previous page with Minnie Mouse, and then you'll turn it and see the Rapunzel. I love these big sticks. I always said this before too on my other princess ones, that I always found them intimidating to use, but if you can just use one or two elements and then balance it, they always can work, because that's how I balance it. So it was like these two kind of diagonal big clusters, and I'm going to have to figure out how to do the journaling and then repeat it over here. And that gives it symmetry and like ease on the eyes. So I love the way that turned out. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found some inspiration and that you yourself are memory keeping in some format. Till next time, everyone. Bye.